Hey man, welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna be talking about some mods every Challenger Charger should have. Well, this is only, well, I should say, this is one mod you guys should have. So let's get to it. So this is the mod every car should have. You see this? I shouldn't say Challenger Charger, you know. Every car should have a mod like this. This right here, this is what you need for highway driving. I be on the highway a lot. So we had to get this thing. So, and I got the wide body, so it fit pretty good on there. I like it. Give it a little different look, you know. So yeah, y'all go ahead on and order that yourself. Boom. I should have showed y'all the setup, but you take that out. They had a plastic screw or insert, and if you see the other one down there, what left the middle one. So that's the only components you really gotta take out. You'll turn your wheel inward when your ears unscrewing. This make it easy for you. You got a little clamp that you don't have to screw this into. Nothing hard. Then you got a little Velcro, you know, for right in there. Then you good to go, man. You're just gonna hook on to these little latches. So as y'all can see, we got bugs. We got them. It was raining the last time I was coming from New Orleans. I assume it wasn't gonna be no bugs on the highway, and I assumed the rain was gonna clean them all. Yeah, that failed. I should have just kept the mask on, but when I get into towns and city, I normally just take it off. It's normally I just use it for highway driving. Yeah, so we about to go to the car wash, get these bugs off. I'm gonna put the mask on, then we'll take a ride to see how reliable it is with the bugs, so y'all can see for yourself. But yeah, you should get this mod. This is a good mod. I like it. The car always clean when I go to other cities, so I can just take that off and then ride around and put it back on my way back home. So yeah, sorry for the late uploads. Thing about this YouTube stuff, you need time, and time is something I don't have, so it'd be really hard. But I probably just gotta start recording my life, because a lot of interesting stuff be happening and stuff, but the phone just don't be out, so I need to get back into the recording habit of trying to get footage of everything. So yeah, I just be missing out, man. But y'all stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. these little baby bugs, but if we would drive at night, my car be covered all kind of bugs. If you're from Louisiana, you'll understand what I'm trying to tell you, but it was catching bugs. No bugs, gang. And if you do get bugs, you probably gonna get them right here. Easy clean up, get your chamois. They got a little few bugs in there, small, y'all can't really tell. Another thing I like about this, you can just take this to the car wash, spray all them bugs off. Easy 1, 2. So yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It ain't bad. I would have drove tonight, which I'm not, because I just washed it. I have bugs everywhere. Covered. They'll be all on that windshield right there. All in the front of the hood, everywhere. That New Orleans drive to Thibodeau, that drive is deadly, man. At night, that is. Daytime, smooth. But yeah, this thing is reliable. That's what you need. Y'all should get this. Cool little mod. Easy 1, 2. You know? So yeah, I'm checking out. Hope y'all enjoyed this video.